In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create images like this using the Bing AI image creator. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. So go to your preferred browser and type Bing image creator. Search for Bing image creator, and for this I'm using Chrome. Once you search for Bing image creator, tap on the first guy right there. So once you tap on it, you are going to be required to sign in if you've not signed in before. So I'm already signed into my account, and a video on how to sign up on Bing image creator is included in the description of this video. Check it out. So all you have to do is input your prompt that you want to use to edit the video. So I'm just trying to make a little changes to my prompt right now. The prompt I use is included in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out and use it to create yours. So if you are okay with the prompt, all you have to do is just tap on create and just wait for about 2-3 seconds, and it's going to generate your image for you immediately. So here we have it. Just check it out, and you can download anyone. Just tap on the 3 dots at the right hand side of your screen, then you will see the download button. So let's try out something else. Let's just quickly edit this country out and add something else. Let's say Indian with capital I, and then we tap on create and give it 3-5 seconds, and well, we have our image. So as usual, just tap on it and tap on the 3 dots at the right hand side of your screen to download the one you like from it. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. For more tutorial like this, please subscribe, hit the notification button and share this video. Thank you.